Mark, in terms of where expectations are, do you think they hit the mark in the first quarter for subscribers? And more importantly, their outlook for June? Do you think they stick by the 2.5 million net adds, which is the forecast right now?
So, Melissa, I think these are the two most important items out there. I know revenue and earnings is important, but this stock trades on and off based on sub numbers. Street's looking for 2.5 million. I think that number is probably ballpark right. The content slate turned out to be pretty strong after they gave their guidance. Things like shows like Inventing Anna did better than most people had thought. They weren't even familiar with the show. The outlook for the next quarter, that could be a little rich, but 2.5 million again on the street, that's probably ballpark right. I think the bigger issue is Netflix, unless they really surprise with big sub numbers, it's kind of gone X premium growth, not X growth, but X premium growth. You used to be able to count on a business that could grow 20% top line with double-digit subscriber growth. Now it's going to be growing kind of mid-teens, maybe high teens top line, but largely driven by ARPU. Growth investors are going to pay less for that. So I think it's kind of in a trading range for the foreseeable future.
How do you foresee potential weakness that may not be accounted for by the street in international markets, which should be their engines of growth? I mean, there's the Russia, they suspended operations there. That's 1 million subscriptions right there. Then there was this study from Cantor about UK, about Britain's canceling 1.5 million subscriptions to Netflix in the first quarter, and that's up 500,000 from the previous quarter. I mean, how do you see sort of the inflation issue around the world playing out when it comes to Netflix's growth?
Well, I'll tell you one thing I think that Karen was dead right on, which is I think Netflix has got pricing power. This is a company that's consistently raised prices because it's a wonderful value prop. Now, there's a lot of competing services in here, and I think there's going to be a shakeout, but it's probably not going to happen this year. It's going to be a few years out. The real issue, I think, for Netflix in terms of generating, like, where did my 25 million subs go? That's what all the bulls like myself in the past were looking out for. Where did they go? I think the challenge was climbing those hills in Asia. It's a big region, but we did survey work. We found it in Japan. That's just one market I know. They've only reached 14% penetration after 5 years. In Western Europe, in North America, and Latin America, Netflix ramped a lot faster. So you're entering a market where you need to have big sub growth, but you got a lot of local competition, content matching problems, tough regional economics. I just think it makes it harder for Netflix to grow in the way that growth investors like myself wanted in the past. Again, it brings us back to the stock in the trading range. $15 in earnings next year. The market will put kind of a 20 to 30 multiple on that. So maybe down at 300, there's an interesting trade to the long end, but we're not going to get the open-ended multiples we had before. This, to me, is like Priceline 7 years ago. When it goes X premium growth, the valuation range gets a lot narrower.
Hey, Mark, it's Tim. You make me want to jump out a window on this because the story on Netflix was really saturation in North America and that actually they were developing localized content. They were able to meet an audience in places like India and Asia Pacific. So if you're telling me that you're now questioning their ability to have that type of entrench, shouldn't we be questioning even that high teens growth number? Because, I'm with you there, and I think we've totally reset expectations, but I'm very concerned on your outlook for their foreign growth.
Well, I think that's the issue. I think that's where my 25 million subs went. And I think, by the way, I think Netflix itself wasn't sure. They had big numbers when they launched in India. They talked about, Reed Hastings talked about getting to 100 million subs. And what they're doing is they're lowering prices in India. Well, you don't lower prices if you've got a great demand problem like you've got in other parts of the world. So it's a lot of local entrenched competition. It's a content matching problem. And I really was struck by our Japan survey results. And I know these are very different countries, but it's just harder for them to gain the kind of sub growth that they did. Netflix has been a phenomenal stock, phenomenal company, service, et cetera, did phenomenally well in Western Europe and in North America and Latin America, very diverse regions. But that next growth has got to come from Asia. I think it's just harder for them to do that. Look, I hope I'm surprised. I hope they blow it out. Or there's one other thing I could watch for, we should all watch for. If they start getting into an ad-supported business model, that may be the real next growth curve initiative for the company. I don't know whether they're going to do that or not yet.
Mark, I'm curious, just when you take a look across tech and particularly big cap tech, which stock do you think is a barometer for this sector? And this could be outside your coverage universe. I don't know if they let you do that at Evercore ISI, but just taking a broader look at what one report actually has an impact on your coverage universe.
Well, I think of the companies I covered, most of this answer is not going to surprise you. I mean, there's two names I covered that have the broadest reach across consumer tech, Amazon and Google. Amazon's going to give you a read into the health of the consumer and the health of the enterprise. Very few companies can do that because I'll tell you what consumers are thinking worldwide, especially in Western Europe. We're looking for signs of softness there to see whether they show up yet. And then on the enterprise side, AWS has been a beast, as cloud computing has for years. And by the way, that growth has recently reaccelerated. I think those trends are intact. That's my hope, but that's going to be the great read through to the rest of the space. If we got problems at Amazon, you got problems in a lot of places.
All right, Mark, thanks for your take. Appreciate it. Mark Mahaney,